and Bujo visited their grandparents' village during the summer break. After dinner, they went onto the roof of the house. It was a clear, cloudless night. They were surprised to see a large number of bright stars in the sky. They had never seen such a beautiful scene in their city. Look at the sky on a dark, clear night. You see the entire sky dotted with countless stars, some bright and some not so bright. The star-like objects which do not twinkle are planets. The moon is the brightest object in the night sky. The stars, the planets, the moon, and many other objects in the sky are called celestial objects. The study of celestial objects and associated phenomena is called astronomy. So now we shall see the brightest star, that is the moon. You might have seen different shapes of moon on different days. The day on which the whole disk of the moon is visible is known as the full moon day. Thereafter, every night the size of the bright part of the moon appears to become thinner and thinner. On the 15th day, the moon is not visible. This day is known as the new moon day. The next day, only a small portion of the moon appears in the sky. This is known as the crescent moon. Then again, the moon grows larger every day. On the 15th day, once again we get a full view of the moon. So, we will be seeing a full moon on day 1st and day 30th. The various shapes of the bright part of the moon as seen during a month called phase of the moon.